For the kinsmen are not left to me. Can I have your mobile number?
Let's have a cup of coffee. Good idea. Where's Jennifer? I haven't seen her for a while. Oh, that's Jennifer and Tommy. What are you doing? Wow.
Ai, katso now.
Imäläkkä kitkä läpi minun röömurista. Avielon ollen saa, ykskör vastanne natsaa. Sös kun nokson niikut räppäiltustek juhustik tal hyppää. Pa, 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 ja kansakaa ja hättää. Pa, 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 kuitut viilitsestä
What a strange dream I saw. I was chosen to be a Juliet in Romeo and Juliet, and the new boy was a Romeo. What new boy? I don't know any new student here. You're still here. Our teacher asked to tell you that we will gather after 10 minutes in classroom. She wants to start a new play. Oh, look, I have to go for a moment away, but I'll be here in 10 minutes. Okay? Okay. If you have to go.
Pa, 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 pa. Pa, 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 pa.
Romeo! You're the Romeo!
Romeo, did I hurt you? Are you okay? I'm really sorry.
I know! You're the Romeo!
I can be the Romeo if you want. Like Tom, and I'm new in school here. By the way, do you know where's the drama class?
I will go, drama class also. You could come with me.
Okay.
Jaani õdapuksen hämmert sulatatakse kummaan. Kuure uidu näoga näin kuusin ollut häin. Pa, 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 sekä sanoja laputtu. Pa, 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 alle meitä lapset luhti. Kauempaa voi tulla asettuma suuka näyttää kasvot.
Hello!
Hello, you two. Girls, here is our new student. Welcome home.
Hi.
Please have a seat. But now, students, please listen to me. We have to prepare a new play for theater festival in Göttingen. So, as it is a springtime, I thought a play which would be about love. What do you think?
Cool! We like spring and love stories. What kind of play will we do?
What do you think about Romeo and Juliet? It's nice and classic love story.
Yeah. But teacher, we do some other story. Estonia love story? If we will go to Göttingen, we should present something which is really Estonia. Yes, some really beautiful Estonian love story. For example, Tiina and Valgus from Vermont. Or maybe Teila and Anna from Spring. Everybody knows that Estonia, but almost no one knows.
Listen to me. Let's do Agnes and Gabriel story from Viimna Reliquia. I think it's the best sorry, Romeo. Oh, I'm sorry, Gabriel.
Yes, you can.
Mis hoiab sind päeval ja ööl ja lõikab läbi kõik kütked, millesse satud sa teed. Ta jätab terveks vaid kütked, mis hoidas teda sinu ööl. Neid kütkeid läbi tema ei lõikab, sest nii on mis lööke varjata juhtud tera, mis plaane varjata ei pea. Mis küll on selle meistri mõttes, kes sellised viiste taab. Mis küll on tema õige hind ja kas ta jääb.
Sein Darstellungsspielkurs mit seiner Interpretation von Jan Lars.